ALGORAND is making some huge moves in the crypto game. We're going to be talking about ALGORAND, and we're also going to be giving you guys a price prediction on what I think ALGORAND can potentially do in the future. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Well, here we go again. My name is David Hughes Jr. and in today's video, we'll be talking about ALGORAND. Now, ALGORAND is one that I've been watching for a while, and I've been kind of keeping my eyes on buying the dips and different things like that. You know, nickel and diamond, because I'm just an average guy and I am broke. But at the same time, I still want to participate. So that's what I did. But before we get into this video, man, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video and also comment down in the comment section what you think about ALGORAND and your future predictions for the entire ALGORAND community and what we're going to be doing and what we're going to be seeing. So let's go ahead and get into the news first, and I'll give you guys my price prediction towards the end of the video. But the first thing I want to talk about today is what ALGORAND done yesterday. Okay, so ALGORAND today, Exodus.io announced that its common stock tokens exit will be released on ALGORAND. The security token issuance being completed in a partnership with Securitize will enable broader access to those looking to participate in the digital economy. Okay, so I looked at that, and at first I was very confused because I did not know that this was even a thing. Sorry about that. Anyway, I did not know this was a thing, okay? And so me reading this, I wasn't exactly sure what was going on, so I had to do even more digging, all right? So going over to another article, I read that a month ago, Exodus, a non-custodial crypto wallet firm, raised $75 million by selling common stock in the company. Each share was going for around $27.42. Okay. And then on top of that, Exodus has decided to transform the sold shares into tokens on the ALGORAND blockchain. Okay, now we're starting to connect the dots. All right. And we're connecting the dots, and essentially, the Exodus common stock token, or EXIT, will be tradable immediately after its paperwork is secured. In some ways, token sales have a lot in common with initial coin offerings. Okay, so that's basically what we're dealing with here. So another piece of information at the bottom of the article said, think of this as the 2021 version of an ICO. All right. And so that's basically what we're going through. Investors will have to complete a know your customer KYC check with Securitize to qualify for the offering that will be done on a first come, first serve basis. Okay. And so with that news being said, ALGORAND is doing amazing right now. You know, ALGORAND bottomed down. It went down. It went below $1. And I want to say, I'm not sure what the low lows were for the past 2 weeks or so, but it did go into the 90 cents to 80 cents. All right. And now it's back up to $1.05 last time I checked, and it probably going up even higher. So shout outs to the people who bought ALGORAND, who are holding for the long term, who is staking ALGORAND. Now, currently, I just got my foot in the game. I'm not currently staking in ALGORAND because I need to build up my portfolio more, and I wish I had more time. But look, when you're an average guy like me, your payment methods and your and the job that you work, I get paid, I get a decent amount, but I don't have a lot of money to just throw at crypto like I want to. But eventually, one of these days, as we continue to build this YouTube channel and build the community that we have right now, we will be able to do that in the future. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you have not already, if I provided you with some good information. Now let's talk more about where I think the future for ALGORAND is and my price prediction. I just want to say that I believe with this news and the way that ALGORAND is continuing to improve itself and continuing to make partnership with different people, I believe that we can see a $2 price at this current speed that we're going right now. Now, you may be thinking that's very, very low of you to say. Now, I say that with caution. Why? Because the way that the market is going right now, and if you want to know if you need to buy in right now, I say buy in. But the way that the market is going in right now, you need to be very, very careful about being very, very bullish. Now, I am bullish, but I'm not as bullish as other people giving you false hope. I'm not trying to spread any false hope for anybody. I think ALGORAND is one of those ones that is a long-term hold. Okay, stake it. You know what I'm saying? Accumulate and stake. All right, that's what I believe in doing. Accumulate and stake. All right, and then on top of that, like I said, the way that the market is going right now, you can buy right now. But you want to be careful because I think we're seeing these highs and people are going to start selling off and making a profit. And so if you're like me, you don't have a lot of money in. So if you hold and buy the dip again, it's fine, you know, and it's fine for people to take their profit. I'm not against anybody taking their profits. But like I said, a $2 price point, and all the cryptocurrencies seem to correlate with Bitcoin. And so you have to watch Bitcoin. It doesn't matter what crypto you in, watch Bitcoin, see what Bitcoin is doing, because if it goes down, it seems like we're all going to go down. Okay. So just keep your minds and your eyes on that as well. But $2 right now for just a medium range. Now, I think the high end this year could potentially be around a $4 price, but I think the low end right now is around $2. Right now, the low end. Okay, I'm going on a very, very low end, and it's not me being bearish or anything. That's just me being realistic about what we're seeing right now, because we've seen a lot of pumps and we've seen a lot of dumps. And you know, when things dump, they really, really dump. And I feel like some people right now are making a lot of money on ALGORAND, and somebody and more people are going to start selling this thing off. So I just want to talk to you guys about buy-in opportunity real quick. And so I feel like you can buy right now. But if you have $100 and you want to buy, don't put the entire $100 in. You want to put in probably 10, maybe 15, and then you want to wait it out, because I feel like we're going to see a down with ALGORAND at some point. It may not be this week, but you're going to see a down, and that's when your huge opportunity will come in, and you want to put in another 15 or another 20 or whatever. And you, like you said, you don't want to put your whole amount in at one time. But I'm going to tell you like this, there could potentially be a point where ALGORAND potentially takes off. But like I said, like you saw with ADA, I want to put ADA in here for a second, just like you saw with it when it took off and it went all the way up. I want to say like $1.80. It came all the way back down. And then people bought in and accumulate and stake, man, accumulate and stake, and then we ride it back up. So you just had to keep that in mind, man. I had to learn that myself, and I want other people to know that method as well. Accumulate and stake, buy the dip. You know what I'm saying? Especially for you average people out there who don't have a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? If you put tens and thousands of dollars in the crypto and you making profits, you know what I'm saying, of like 100%, and you doubling money, now you got $50,000, $100,000 and different things like that, and you take your money out, I'm not mad at you. But for the people who playing the long game like me, the average investors who just got into this thing and now you're playing the long game, I think that's the best method for you to do. I'm not a financial advisor though, you know what I'm saying? You got to make your own decision, do your own research, all that good stuff. But I will see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. My name is David Hughes Jr. and I'm out.